Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Good
Very
evening.
good evening. Good evening. I think
Good evening,
today,
sir.
major students, there are often, I think, power problem is there. Correct? Only 14 participants. It's okay. Yesterday, what I gave questions to you, you completed that problem? Yesterday, I gave two problems to you. You
Yes, sir.
completed? What are the answers?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Today, we'll do some few applications now. Same, just the solve from equations only. Okay, one problem I can write now. This is the important for examination point of view. Already they're asking 4 times in examination. Same model. You want just once you can try yourself, no problem there. If A equal to 2 minus 3, 5, 3, 2, minus 4, 1, 1, minus 2, 1, 1, minus 2, comma, find the A inverse. Find the A inverse and hence solve the system of equations. System of equations. Two x minus 3y plus 5z equal to 11. 3x plus 2y minus 4z equal to minus 5 and x plus y minus 2z equal to minus 3. Okay. Yes, what we can try using this problem now. Next, one more question right now. Application kind of problem we can write. The cost of 4 kg onions. The cost of 4 kg onion, comma, 3 kg wheat, 3 kg wheat, and 2 kg rice is 60 rupees. 60 rupees. Full stop. The cost of 4 kg, 2 kg onion, comma, 4 kg wheat and 6 kg rice. 6 kg rice is 90 rupees. 90 rupees. Full stop. The cost of 6 kg onion, and 2 kg wheat, 2 kg wheat and 3 kg rice is 70 rupees. 70 rupees. Find cost of each item.
Sir, 3 kg
Ah.
rice is how much rupees, sir? It's not seen.
3 kg rice is 70 rupees. 70 rupees. Find the cost of each item per kg. By matrix method. Okay, this is the simple question now. It is first the simple question. Sorry, later we will go to the some indirect problems. That you know the cost of 4 kg onion, 3 kg wheat, and 2 kg rice is 60 rupees. The cost of 2 kg onion, 4 kg wheat, and 6 kg rice is 90 rupees. The cost of 6 kg onion, 2 kg wheat, and 3 kg rice is 70 rupees. The given this cost is given. But what is the cost of each item? We don't know. We have the same thing always, Find the cost of each item per kg. So what will be here? First you can take the cost of onion per kg equal to X, you can take X rupees. The cost of wheat equal to Y rupees. The cost of rice equal to Z rupees, you can take. Now just you can form the first system of equations you can form now. So how to form that? What is the first equation? Tell me. 4 kg onion. That means the cost of onion per kg equal to X rupees we are taking. But how do we total cost generate is the number of kgs into the cost of per kg into 4x plus 3y plus 2z equal to 60 rupees. Because total cost equal to 60 rupees. In the same way, the same condition 2x plus 4y plus 6z equal to 90 rupees. This is the second equation. Next, 6x plus 2y plus 3z equal to 70 rupees. This is the third sum of equation. Now we got three equations. This you can follow the same procedure. We can find the values of x, y, z. You can find the next is called the cost of onion per kg. Y is for the cost of wheat per kg, and z equal to the cost of rice per kg it is. So first you can write as is all here now. So this we can write. So let the cost of onion per kg, equal to X rupees, you can take X rupees. The same way, the cost of wheat per kg equal to Y rupees. The same way, the cost of rice per kg equal to Z rupees, you can take. Now we can form system of equations because they given very clearly the cost of 4 kg onion, 3 kg wheat, and 2 kg rice equal to 60 rupees. So therefore, based on the given information, we can form the system of equations now. So first one is the 4x plus 3y 4x plus 3y plus 2z equal to 60 rupees, first equation. And coming to the second one, 2x plus 4y plus 6z equal to 90 rupees, second equation. And third one, 6x plus 2y plus 3z equal to 70 rupees. Now we can follow the absence procedure now. How do we got three system of equations we got now? So now we can find the matrix method. Okay, the matrix form of these three equations we can form now first. This one are copied.
Yes, sir.
Okay. This is later you can try yourself because you know the method. So therefore, the matrix form of system of equations are so here A equal to what is A? 4, 3, 2, 2, 4, 6, 6, 2, 3 equal to comma, and the matrix X equal to X, Y, Z, and matrix B equal to 60, 90, and 70. 60, 90, and 70 now. So first you can find immediately, therefore the determinant of A you can find out. So determinant of A equal to determinant of 4, 3, 2, 2, 4, 6, 6, 2, 3. So that implies determinant of A equal to 4 into, it belongs to the first one, first column we can delete that. Then we can take 4, 3 is 12, minus 12. Next, minus 3 into 6 minus 36, plus 2 into 4 minus 24, 4 minus 24. This is the clearly 4 into 12 minus 12 equal to 0, and minus 3 into, this is the minus 30, and plus 2 into minus 20, plus 2 into minus 20 now. I'll copy this problem now.
Yes, sir.
Sure. So therefore, determinant of A equal to this is minus into minus 3 into minus 30 equal to plus 90, and minus 40 is equal to 50. So then determinant of A not equal to 0, not equal to 0. Clearly what you can say now, determinant of A not equal to 0 means A is a non-singular matrix. A is a non-singular matrix, the inverse is existing. Inverse is existing now. So therefore, X equal to, you can write the formula A inverse into B now. So we have to find the A inverse means what the formula we have. A inverse equal to, it implies A inverse equal to adjoint A by determinant of A, adjoint A by determinant of A. You know very well that part. So finding the adjoint compulsory, we have to find 4 factors of each element of the matrix A. Later we have to take the transpose. We'll get adjoint we are getting. So first you can find 4 factors you can find now. Therefore, A11 equal to A11 equal to plus 1 into, this is 12 minus 12 equal to 0. Next, A12 equal to minus 1 into 6 minus 36, 6 minus 36. It is equal to plus 30 now. Next, A13 equal to plus 1 into 4 minus 24. It is equal to minus 20. Next, A21 equal to minus 1 into 9 minus 4, it is equal to minus 5. Equal to minus 5. Next, A22 equal to plus 1 into 12 minus 12. 10 minus 12, it is equal to 0. A23 equal to minus 1 into 8 minus 18, it is equal to plus 10. Next, A31 equal to plus 1 into 18 minus 8, it is equal to again plus 10. A32 equal to minus 1 into minus 1 into 4 is the 24. 24 minus 4 is equal to minus 20. Minus 20. A33 equal to plus 1 into 4, 16 minus 6 is equal to 10 now. So these are the cofactors of the matrix A. Cofactors of matrix A now. So therefore, the cofactors of A equal to cofactors of A equal to 0, 30, minus 20, and minus 5, 0, 10, 10, minus 20, and 10 now, the cofactors. Therefore, adjoint equal to, adjoint A equal to the transpose of the cofactors of A. This is a 0, minus 5, 10, 30, 0, minus 20, minus 20, 10, and 10. Now you can find A inverse now. Therefore, it implies A inverse equal to adjoint A determinant of A. Determinant of A equal, just now we got the value equal to 50. So this is the minus 1 by 50. 1 by 50 into 0, minus 5, 10, 30, 0, minus 20, and minus 20, 10, and 10. The inverse now. So therefore, x equal to A inverse into B now. The A inverse equal, just we got 1 by 50 into 0, minus 5, 10, 30, 0, minus 20, minus 20, 10, and 10 now, into the matrix B equal to 60, 90, and 70. Multiply now. So x, y, z equal to 1 by 50 into 0 into 60, 0, minus 450, plus 700. First one it is. And second one, 1800 plus 0 minus 1400. And third one, minus 1200 plus 900 plus 700 plus 700. So here this value now, it is equal to 1 by 50 into, this value is equal to, I think this is the 250, and here 400, this is the 9 plus 7 equal to 16, so this also 400 now. So 400. So x, y, z equal to 250 by 50 equal to 5, 8, and 8. Now you can write now. Therefore, the cost of onion equal to onion per kg equal to 5 rupees. The cost of wheat per kg equal to 8 rupees. The cost of rice per kg equal to 8 rupees. 8 rupees. So let me write clearly that part. So therefore, the cost of onion. So this is application means to compulsory clearly we have to do the conclusion now. So without conclusion, but don't write anything. So after we got the x value, y value, z value, write clearly that. Because we have to find everything separately. Okay. The same, you can write one more column, you can write now. If you completed means just you can tell to me, I will dictate the problem here, because it is each problem they given like big paragraphs. Writing on the board it's not possible.
Yes, sir. Done, sir.
The remaining also if you completed means just to tell to me, I will dictate that. The problem we can write now. All of you completed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, you can write now. Right. The sum of three numbers. The sum of three numbers. The sum of three numbers is 2. The sum of three numbers is 2. Full stop.
Each or e?
Is. The sum of three numbers is 2. Full stop. If twice the second number, if twice the second number is twice the second number is added, twice the second number is added to the sum of first and third, to the sum of first and third, comma, the sum is 1. The sum is 1. The sum is 1. Full stop. Full stop. By adding second and third number, by adding second and third number,
Sir, can you repeat this line, sir?
by adding second and third number, to 5 times the first number, 5 times the first number, comma, we get 6. We get 6. Full stop. Find the three numbers by using matrices. Find the three numbers by using matrices. Okay, is the problem it is. So tell me here now, what are the three numbers? What you will take here? The three numbers, please tell me. The given sum of three numbers equal to 2. Sum of three numbers equal to 2 is given. But what are the numbers? We don't know. What are the numbers? We don't know that. So first you can take here clearly, let first number equal to x you can take. Next second number equal to take y. Next third number equal to take z. Third number equal to take z. Now coming to the conditions now. They given first condition is given. What is the first condition here? Sum of these three numbers equal to how much they gave? How much they gave now? Please respond. The sum of three numbers equal to how much they gave now? In the problem itself.
2.
Therefore, what you can write now? X plus y plus z equal to 2 is the first equation. Am I correct? Like coming to the second condition, what are they given?
Sir,
Tell
it
me
will be
second
x.
condition now.
Sir, it will be x plus 2y plus z equal to 1.
See, twice the second number. You know what is the meaning of twice the second number?
2y.
Yes, second number equal to y, 2y. So to this number, we are adding here now what is that?
X plus z.
Second number added to the first and last number, first and the third number. So what do you tell me?
X plus 2y plus z.
Z equal to how much? 1. This is the second equation.
So next one is 5x. 5x plus y plus z equal to 6.
Second and third. So 5 times the first number. That means
5x.
we get now 5x plus,
Y
correct?
plus z.
Y plus Z equal to how much?
6.
6. Yeah. Now we got now the three equations we got. Suppose if you want to more clearly, more clarity required means, but before writing these three equations here now, write the statement clearly. First we are taking the condition now. Let first number equal to x, second number equal to y, and third number equal to z. So therefore, sum of three numbers equal to 2. Then write the equation. Write the equation. Next, twice the second number added to the first and third number is 1. So therefore, x plus 2y plus z equal to 1. That means for getting the more impression, okay, when you correcting the evaluator correcting the paper at that time, we have to get more impression means, but definitely we are writing the more statement because it's the application. It's not normal problem it is. Okay, write clearly that one. Before this equation you can write now what is the twice the second number added to the first and third number is 1. So therefore, x plus 2y plus z equal to 1. So we're coming to the third equation here. 5 times the first number added to first and second and third number is 6. So therefore, 5x plus y plus z equal to 6 now. Now count into matrix method. So therefore, right now the matrix form of system of equations or we can write the matrices here. The matrix A equal to how much? The matrix A equal to 1 1 1 1 2 1 the 5 1 1 5 1 1 now, and x equal to the three variables we have, that is the first and second and third number, three different numbers we have, and matrix B equal to 2 1 and 6 because first sum of three numbers equal to 2 now. Let us just we are taking the sum. That means compulsory some number, maybe one of the number must be negative, then only it is possible it is. Okay, so therefore first you can find immediately the determinant of A you can find out. So 1 into 2 into 1 2 2 minus 1 minus 1 into 1 minus 5 plus 1 into the 1 minus 10 1 minus 10 now. So it is equal to 2 minus 1 equal to 1. So 1.
Sir, I'm getting 0, sir.
It is the 0,
sir.
na? Yes, you will see that. I think 0 it's not possible. How to get 0, ma? 1 minus 4 equal to 1 minus 5 equal to minus 4. Minus 1 into minus 4 equal to plus 4. 1 minus 10 equal to minus 9. This is the minus 9 equal to minus 4. The determinant of A equal to be what? Minus 4 now. It's not 0.
Yes, sir.
It's correct?
Sir, I just showed the element wrong in the system.
So now we can write. So therefore, clearly determinant of A not equal to 0, then A is called a non-singular matrix. Therefore, determinant of A not equal to 0. So clearly, A is non-singular matrix. Non-singular matrix. That means inverse will be existing. Inverse is existing. Therefore, x equal to A inverse into B. X equal to A inverse into B now. So find A inverse. Yes, suppose you got my determinant of A equal to 0. For finding the three numbers, it's not possible. Finding the three numbers not possible means why they given all three conditions. It means we have to think about the statements also. Okay, x equal to A inverse into B now. First we are going to find 4 factors. So A11 equal to 1 into 2 minus 1 is equal to plus 1 and a12 equal to minus 1 into 1 minus 5 is equal to plus 4 and a13 equal to plus 1 into, it's correct, and it's the 1 minus 10 now, it is equal to minus 9. A21 equal to minus 1 into 1 minus 1, it is equal to 0. Next, A22 equal to plus 1 into 1 minus 5, 1 minus 5 equal to minus 4, A23 equal to minus 1 into 1 minus 5, it is equal to plus 4, A31 equal to plus 1 into 1 minus 2 equal to minus 1, A32 equal to minus 1 into 1 minus 1 is equal to 0, A33 equal to plus 1 into 2 minus 1, it is equal to 1 now. So now we can write. So therefore, cofactors of A equal to cofactors of the matrix A equal to 1, 4, minus 9, 0, minus 4, 4 now, minus 1, 0, 1. Therefore, adjoint A equal to the transpose of cofactors of A 1, 0, minus 1, 4, minus 4, 0, and minus 9 and 4, 1. The adjoint that implies A inverse equal to adjoint A determinant of a below variable at first determinant equal just now we got minus 4. This is the minus 4 1 by 4 into 1 0 minus 1 and 4 minus 4 0 and minus 9 4 1. This is the value of A inverse. Value of A inverse. Now we can find it. Therefore, x equal to below variable at first. Here x equal to A inverse into B. So therefore, x means we can write now x y z equal to A inverse means we can write minus 1 by 4 into 1 0 minus 1 4 minus 4 0 and minus 9 4 1 minus 9 4 1 into the matrix B equal to 2 1 6. Matrix B equal to 2 1 6 now. So multiply both. So therefore, x, y, z equal to minus 1 by 4 into multiply now 1 into 2, 2. This is the 2 plus 0 minus 6. First one. Next 8 minus 4 plus 0. Next minus 18 plus 4 plus 6. Minus 4 plus 0 plus 4 plus 6. That implies minus 1 by 4 into, this is the minus 4 and plus 4. This is minus 8 now. Minus 8. So therefore,
Sir, it's plus 1, 3 by 2.
Okay. X, Y, Z equal to, you can write now, divide with all the values now, minus to the minus.
Sir, it should be minus 6, no sir. Minus 18 plus 4 is...
Where?
No sir, sir.
More than equal to 10. So minus 8 only, na? This is the minus 2 minus equal to plus we are getting. This is the plus 1. Minus 1. This is the plus 2. Plus 2 now. So therefore that implies the value of x equal to 1, the value of y equal to minus 1, the value of z equal to 2 we got. These are the three different numbers now. So first number equal to 1, second number equal to minus 1, third number equal to 2. If you want to just once you can verify the equations also, the true or false is. You take in sum of these three numbers. Let me know 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 we cancel. It is equal to 2 because sum of these three numbers equal, they given the condition 2 is given. So clearly we got 2. The same way, twice the second number. 2 into minus 1 equal to minus 2 plus 3 equal to plus 1. Yes, correct. The same will come into the last number. Now it is the 5 into 1, 5 minus 1 plus 2. So 5 plus 2 equals to 7, 7 minus 1 equal to 6. Yes, all three conditions will be satisfied. That means the required three numbers are, first number is 1 and second number is minus 1 and third number is 2. Third number is okay. Completed. At last you can write clear that. Let your first number equal to 1, second number equal to minus 1 and the third number equal to 2. Because without the conclusion, suppose you wrote complete solution also, simply you lose in an examination, then half marks will lose. Definitely, they'll cut half marks. Because the given applications in examination means compulsory we have to write the conclusion. It's more important. That means what we have to find that. Already we got three numbers we got. So you can write later, last you can write clearly that. Therefore, first number equal to 1, second number equal to minus 1, and third number equal to 2. Okay. We completed.
Yes, sir.
Next problem right now. This is a little bit big one. It is big paragraph we are getting. You can write. Right now. Will tell now.
Yes, sir.
Right. A school wants to. A school wants. A school wants.
Sir, can you repeat, sir? I had internet problem.
A school wants. A school wants to award its students for the first the values of
After each student?
students for the values of honesty,
The values of what? I'm not getting, sir.
honesty. The three words I will write here, no problem. The values of honesty, second word, comma, regularity, and hard work. With a total cash award of 6,000 rupees. The total cash award of 6,000 rupees. Full stop. 3 times the award money. 3 times award money. 3 times award money for hard work. 3 times award money for hard work. Added for hard work added to that given for honesty. Amounts to 11,000 rupees. 11,000 rupees. One more time. So 3 times the award money for hard work added to that given for honesty amounts to 11,000 rupees. 11,000 rupees. Full stop. 11,000 rupees. Full stop. Next. The award money given for honesty and hard work. Honesty and means second plus always, and hard work together is double the one given for regularity. Double the one given for regularity. That means 2R. Means here they can write it is that. What is that? Honesty plus hard work. Together given for what is that? Double of regularity. Together is double the one given for regularity. Regularity. Full stop. Represent the above situation. Represent the above situation algebraically. Above situation algebraically and find the award for each value comma using matrix method Full stop. Full stop. Apart from these values, comma, namely, comma, apart from these values, comma, namely, comma, honesty, same, honesty, comma, regularity, and hard work. Apart from these values, namely, honesty, regularity, and hard work, comma, suggest one more value, which the school must include for award. Actually, in this one, that last one is not required for you. It is they're asking you to find the values of honesty, regularity, and hard work. They're asking. They tell you very clearly. But at last they given small paragraph again. I mean, it is instead of the means replacing the values of anyone here now. Replacing any one of the means maybe honesty or regularity or hard work. Along with that, you can take one more value. You can take one more value and you can find the answer. That is not a suggestion. That really just you can give suggestions to friends or your students. Suppose I am a teacher means I have to say to my students. But you are the student means you have to say to the friend. Understood? That is not required for you. Just we have to find only the value of honest, the value of regularity, the value of the hard work only. We have to find out. But it's look like it's a big problem it is, but it's very easy. Once we are making the system of equations, so finding the value of honesty, value of regularity, the value of the hard work, it's very easy. It's very easy. So first, what you can assume yourself first you can tell me now in this problem now. First, what we have to assume? Respond anyone. No problem that. So they given three unknown numbers is given, three unknown values is given. The three unknown values are what is the honesty, what is the regularity, what is the hard work. So what we'll do now? First you can take here, let the value of honesty equal to you can take here now X rupees. Next, the same way, the value of regularity equal to you can take here now Y rupees. In the same way, the value of hard work, equal to Z rupees. You can take. But the given starting one condition is given. What is the total award? Tell me now. Please tell me. What is the total award?
6,000.
6,000. What you can write now? Therefore you can write now X plus Y plus Z equal to 6,000 rupees. 6,000. So this is the first equation. But you can write clearly that one. But what is given? The sum of the values. I mean the awarded, the value, sum of the values of award equal, you can write now 6,000 rupees.
Sir,
Please tell me.
sir, can you repeat the last part of the question? I got it.
Last quarter, okay,
Yes.
disconnected and he came again. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, you can write now. The last part you can write. The remaining students, yes, you can form the quantity, okay, the linear equations, and you can try to solve that. Once you can try yourself. So you write now.
So just one more value after.
Up to where you wrote now? Once you can tell me.
Suggest one more value which
Yes, yes. Suggest one more value. Suggest one more value which the school must include for awards. The school must include for awards. Include for awards. Okay. Now tell me what is the second condition of here? What is second condition? They given what is the 3 times of hard work plus honesty. Plus honesty is equal to 11,000 rupees. Equal to 11,000. That means here now they are not discussed about the regularity. Means the regularity will be 0. Regularity equal to means the value of the regularity in this condition equal to 0 now. So first you can write already you know the honesty equal to x. This is I think for hard work it is. Means the honesty equal to x. So you can write for x plus. But they are not discussed in this condition. They are not discussed about the regularity. The regularity equal to 0. You can write now plus 3 times of hard work. That means so 3z equal to 11,000 rupees. Equal to 11,000 rupees. This is the second condition. The 6,000. This is you can write now 11,000 rupees. 11,000 rupees. And what about third condition now? What about third condition? Please tell me. The award money given for honesty and hard work together is double the one given for regularity. Double the one given for regularity. That means the sum of the honesty and hard work. That means you can write now x plus z equal to twice the value of regularity. That means you can write now 2y. So 2y you can write this side now. So therefore, so x minus 2y plus z equal to 0. This is you can write now 0. Now 3 system of equations we got. 3 system of equations. Now you can follow the as-is procedure. You can follow that. So therefore the matrix form of given system of equations. Given system of or else you can write system of equations or system of equations or so what is the matrix A now? Matrix A equal you can write 1 1 1. This is the 1. Your regularity is not there, so 0 and 3 and 1 minus 2 1 and the matrix x equal to x y z. The matrix x equal to x y z. The matrix B equal to 6,000 and 11,000 and 0 and 0. The 3 matrices we got. And I can follow the same thing. Similarly, first you can determinant of you can find out. Determinant of A you can find. So therefore, determinant of A equal to 1 into 0 plus 6 minus 1 into 1 minus 3 plus 1 into minus 2 minus 0. So this is equal to 6 plus 3 minus 2. So plus 7. So clearly, therefore determinant of A not equal to 0. Therefore A is non-singular matrix. A is non-singular matrix. If A is a non-singular matrix, compulsory the inverse will be existing. So therefore, you can write to x equal to A inverse into B. The value of A inverse we have to find out. So first we can find 4 factors we can find. A11 equal to 1 into 0 plus 6. It is equal to 6 now. And A12 equal to minus 1 into 1 minus 3. It is equal to plus 2. It is equal to plus 2 now. A13 equal to plus 1 into, this is the minus 2 minus 0 equal to minus 2. and A21 equal to minus 1 into, that is the 1 plus 2 equal to minus 3 equal to minus 3 now. Next A22 equal to plus 1 into okay, so 0 it is what again? 1 minus 1 equal to 0. Next A23 equal to minus 1 into minus 2 minus 1 equal to minus 3, I mean to plus 3. Next A31 equal to plus 1 into 3 minus 0 equal to 3. Next A32 equal to minus 1 into 3 minus 1 is equal to minus 2. So A33 equal to plus 1 into 0 minus 1, it is equal to minus 1. So now you can write now. So therefore four factors of A equal to, so 6, 2, minus 2, minus 3, 0, 3, 3, minus 2, minus 1. So therefore adjoint A equal to, the transfer the cofactors of A contains 6, minus 3, 3, 2, 0, minus 2, 3, minus 1.
Sir,
So tell me one.
sir, A21, I'm getting plus 3.
A21,
Yes, sir.
this one, A21. That means if you go this one now, 1 plus 2 are written, correct? How much you got?
Plus 3.
But this is the minus one, isn't it? A21, 2 plus 1 equal to how much?
Yes, sir.
Minus 4 whole 4, odd number equal to always negative. That is the minus 1. Correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So A inverse equal to the one by adjoint determinant of A, but determinant of A equal just we got 7 now. This is the 1 by 7 into adjoint A equal to 6 minus 3
Sir,
minus, tell me, plus 3.
sir, determinant of A is 6, sir.
How do you do this, 1 into 0 plus 6, I mean correct?
Yes.
Minus 1 into 1 minus 3 plus 1 into minus 2 minus 0. So 1 into 6 equal to 6, minus 1 into, sorry, correct, plus 6 only. Because 1 minus 3 equal to minus 2, minus 1 into minus 3 equal to plus 2. I am correct. Okay, 6 now. So this is the 1 by 6 into the same matrix. So minus 2, 3 and minus 1. Minus 1 now. Now you can substitute in there. So therefore, x equal to, that means x means you can write now xyz equal to A inverse into B. So A inverse equal to 1 by 6 into 6 minus 3 plus 3 2 0 minus 2 minus 2 3 minus 1 into the matrix B equal to 6,000, this is 11,000 and 0. So multiply now 1 by 6 into 6 into 6,000, this is the 36,000 minus 33,000 plus 0. And second one 12,000 plus 0 plus 0. Next minus 12,000 plus 33,000 minus 0. Actually this is also minus 0 only, minus 0. So find which value now is equal to 1 by 6 into, this is 3,000, next 12,000, next 33 minus 12 equal to 21,000. Now we can find. So therefore, the value of x equal to how much, tell me? X, Y, Z. You can write one more step, you can write now. After dividing also, you can write one more step. I have taken directly. The value of x equal to, this is the 500. The value of x, y equal to 2. The 2 times of 2000. Next, the value of z equal to 3, 6 are 18 and 5 and 00. That means the values of the three numbers equal to 500 rupees, 500, 2000 and 3500. 3500. Now you can write clearly. The conclusion also you can write now. So therefore, what is the first one, tell me now? Therefore, the value of honesty equal to the value of honesty equal to honesty means I think it is X only equal to 500. 500 rupees you can take. 500 rupees. Next, the same way, the value of regularity equal to 2000 rupees. 2000 rupees. The same way, the value of hard work equal to 3500 rupees. 3500. We know very well that for always the hard work only, it comes through always. If you done hard work means we get good results. In the same, we also same thing only. In +2 or second PU, we have to get good results means compulsory. We have to do the hard work. Then only we will get more. Understood? Honesty also important. They given for honesty, they give less value. So why they given for honesty less value here now? That means sometimes it is we have to do. It is suppose we got any confusion or any doubt in any problem, definitely, yes sir, everybody we are taking some help. It is to clue. Okay, it means it will be honesty, and at the same time these are something. That's why they give the less value here now, and regularity. That means you are coming to every day. That means attending for classes regularly. But definitely, suppose you are the student also, you will get some benefits. That means you will get some knowledge definitely. But that means definitely we are not getting very less marks in examination. At least you will get more than 60%. More than 60. When it is, suppose if you are regular for classes, but you are the regular for classes and you are the hard worker, but definitely we will get good marks in examination. This is the actual meaning of that paradigm. That's why they given this problem in examination. This is already in the CBSE examination 2013. 2013. The same model they gave, same honesty, regularity, and hard work only. They gave 2 problems. They gave. That means I think in the CBSE point of view, we're getting the sets. We're getting set A, set B, set C. Okay. They're asking the 3 question papers. They gave the same model, but with the numerical changes. With the numerical changes. Okay, clear now?
Can we include discipline in this?
Yes, discipline. Because they're asking here the suggestions, you can replace anything here now. Either it is a honesty, you can remove. You can take here now, discipline, like that. And you can find it. There is a small suggestion here now, just you can try yourself that. So they're asking here now. Discipline you can give. One more you can write now. If it remains once, you can tell to me. I'll tell you one more. I'll give the same model, one more problem I give with the different words. It's not honesty, regularity, and hard work. I'll give 3 different words again. And today and Friday class is the last class for this chapter. In the Friday class, once we'll go through the miscellaneous studies, some different kind of problems we will discuss about that. Okay, it's yes, Thursday. And Friday class, we'll discuss about the inverse trigonometry objective. It means whatever you wrote the last examination, inverse trigonometry. Okay, the problems we'll discuss on Friday. Okay, Thursday, one more class I'll give you, that is for completing the determinant chapter for the miscellaneous. That means that the class briefly one more time from the beginning, just once we recall that one. What are the concepts we learned in this chapter? So one more time, just once to recall it between them, you solve the few questions. Suppose miscellaneous, any different kind of problems are there, means you solve that. Thursday. And Friday is the completely inverse trigonometry. The objective questions to clarification it is. And Monday will start continuity and differentiability. Okay. Finish now.
Yes, so.
One more you can write. But this is I am not following you. Just once you have to try yourself. But I'll give you the idea. Okay. Right. Problem. Right. Right now. Right. Two institutions decided
Sir,
to all things right now. Two organizations. Right. Two organizations. Okay. Organizations decided to award their employees for the three values of it's like same previous model only. So previous we are taking the honesty, regularity, and hard work now, but now we are going with different words here. Three values of first one, resourcefulness, is the first one it is, and second one competence, and third one determination. Third one determination in the form of prizes, at the rate of X rupees, Y rupees, and Z rupees respectively. X rupees, Y rupees, and Z rupees respectively per person, respectively per person, respectively per person, full stop, full stop. The first organization, the first organization, the first organization, the first organization decided, the first organization decided to award, decided to award respectively, to award respectively, respectively 4, 3 and 2 employees. So the first organization decided to award respectively 4, 3 and 2 employees with a total prize money, with a total prize money 37,000 rupees. The total prize money 37,000 rupees, 37,000 rupees, 37,000. That means what is this condition? Tell me now. The resourcefulness 4 members, competent 3 persons, and determination 2 persons.
4x
So all
plus 3y
together,
plus 2z
that's
equal to
what it is.
37,000.
4x plus 3y plus 2z equal to rupees 37,000. The first condition here. Okay. And the second organization, decided to award respectively 5, 3 and 4 employees. 4 employees with a total prize money, 4 employees with a total prize money of rupees 47,000. Rupees 47,000. 47,000 means what you get the tell me now? That equation,
5x plus
5x plus 3y plus 4z equal to,
4z equal to
yes, rupees 47,000. Full stop. Full stop. If all the three prizes per person, if all the 3 prizes per person together amount to rupees 12,000. Rupees 12,000. You know what is the meaning of if all the 3 prizes
x
per
plus
person?
y plus z
That's
equal
all.
to
Here you can get now
12,000.
x plus y plus z equal to 12,000 rupees. Comma. Then using matrix method, comma. Then using matrix method, find the values of x, y and z. Full stop. Full stop. What values are described in this equation? Full stop. What values are described in this equation? Okay. Once you try yourself now, the problem it is the same problem. Once you can try yourself. Sharath, please respond. Sharath, please respond. Sharath, are you there? Or you're not there? Sharath? Okay. Ritesh? Ritesh?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, I understood now. This application, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, yeah, the same problem once you can try yourself. Already clear information we have, just you can form the system of equation and you can solve that. Okay.
Yes, sir.
You try yourself that. Next, one more problem I can write now, but it's not application, no? It's not application. You can write one more problem I can write. One more I can write now. Just I'll give the one fraction form I will give you. Once I can solve that. The system of equations only if they given a fraction. Then how to solve that equations. We will almost be covered everything. This model some problem I can try yourself. Right. Solve the system of equations by matrix method. Solve the system of equations by matrix method. First one, first equation. Then right now 2 by x minus 3 by y plus 3 by z. 3 by z equal to 10. First one. Next 1 by x plus 1 by y plus 1 by z equal to 10. Second one. Next 3 by x minus 1 by y plus 2 by z equal to 13. Okay. Solve the system of equations by using matrix method. Same method now. But see now, this kind of problems are also more important to you. They given 1 by x, 1 by y, and 1 by z. So first, what we have to do now? Immediately, first you can reduce the equation. You can reduce the equation. I think in 10th class we got this one. For solving the system of equations, but reducible equation. So there, how to reduce the equations in the same way? Here also first you can reduce the equations now. So first you can take immediately, let 1 by x equal, you can take some u. Correct? We done previous the same thing only we done that. And 1 by y equal, you can take v, and 1 by z equal, you can take w. We reduce like this. Now this all the three values you can substitute in there. So then what is the first equation? Tell me now. The first one can be written as 2 into 1 by x, and second one you can write now 3 into 1 by y plus 3 into 1 by z. That means what again? So 1 by x equal, you can write now u, and 1 by y means you can write now v, 1 by z you can write plus 3w equal to 10. This is the first equation. This is tell me second equation now. U plus v plus w equal to 10. Next 3u minus v plus 2w equal to 13. 2w equal to 13. Like you follow the same procedure. Now when you solve the system of equations, in the time we got the values of u, v, w will get the values of u comma v comma w. At last you can write now, but starting this is we are assuming ourselves now. That what is the meaning of u here? 1 by x, v equal to 1 by y, w equal to 1 by z. So generally we have to find the values of x comma y comma z. We have to find out. Just whatever get the value of u, we can substitute there now. The next equal to you can now, or you can do the cross multiplication. The values of x, the value of y, the value of z we are getting. Understood? This is the procedure. It means if they given any fraction form also, but no need to get any confusion here. First you can reduce the equation. So now how to reduce means, let whatever they given fraction that is equal to some other variable you can write down. Means 1 by x equal to one variable, and means some different variable is u, and 1 by y equal to v, and 1 by z equal to w. Then you can simplify this all the equation. Reduce all the equation. So what is the first one now? 2u, because 1 by x equal to u now. So 2u minus 3v plus 3z, 3w equal to 10. First equation. This is 1 by x equal to u plus v plus w equal to 10. Second equation. This is the 3u minus v plus 2z equal to w equal to 13. Third equation now. They can follow the same procedure. Therefore, I can write now the matrix form of system of equations are tell me the value of the matrix A equal to what? Okay, how much we got now? 2 minus 3, 3, 1, 1, 1. This is the 3 minus 1, 2. 3 minus 1 now, and 2 now. And the matrix x equal to, say we can write now, x, y, z, you can write x, y, z, and the matrix B equal to 10, 10, 13. 10, 10, 13 now. Now find determinant. So the determinant of A equal to 2 into 1 into 2 plus 1, because it is the minus 1 into 1 equal to minus 1, but already the formula itself we have minus instead. So minus into minus 1 equal to plus 1. Next, this is actually here now, it's right, minus of minus 3 into, so 1 into 2, 2 minus 3. The coming third element here plus 3 into 1 into minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 into 3 equal to 3. So right, 2 into 2 plus 1 equal to 3, minus into minus plus 3 into minus 1 plus 3 into minus 4, 3 into minus 4. So 2 3 are 6, minus 3 minus 12, it is equal to minus 6 means minus 9, equal to minus 9. So clearly the determinant of A equal to not equal to 0 now. So A is a non-singular matrix. So clearly we can say that one inverse will be existing. Inverse is existing. So you can find the cofactors, you can find now. You can find the cofactors. So therefore, A11 equal to minus 1 into this is the 2 plus 1 is equal to plus 3. A12 equal to plus 1 into.
Sir, A11 will be 1 into 2 plus 1, no, sir.
Yes, it's the plus 1. Correct only. But I wrote that answer here now. I wrote correct only. So this is the minus 1. Minus 1 into 2 minus 3. 2 minus 3 equal to minus 1. Minus 1 into minus 1 equal to plus 1. And A13 equal to plus 1 into. This is the minus 1 minus 3. Minus 1 minus 3. It is equal to minus 4. Next, A21 equal to minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 6 plus 3. This is equal to minus 3, 6 plus 3 equal to minus 3. So this is the plus 3. Next, A22 equal to plus 1 into 4 minus 9. 4 minus 9 equal to, you can write minus 5. Next, A23 equal to minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 2 plus 9. Minus 2 plus 9 equal to minus 7. Next, A31 equal to minus 3 minus 3. This is minus 3 minus 3 equal to minus 6. So this is the minus 6 now. So A32 equal to minus 1 into the 2 minus 3. So 2 minus 3 equal to minus 1. Minus 1 into minus 1 equal to plus 1. And A33 equal to plus 1 into this is the 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3 equal to 5. 2 plus 3 equal to 5. The cofactors of A you can write. Cofactors of A equal to how much? The cofactors of A equal to 3, 1, minus 4, 3, minus 5, minus 7, minus 6, 1 and 5. So adjoint A equal to here the 3 minus 6, 1 minus 5, 1 minus 5 and minus 7, minus 6, 1 and 5. Therefore, inverse equinomer determinant of A equal to we got minus 9 now. This is equal to minus 1 by 9 minus 1 by 9 into adjoint A. Adjoint A equal to we got 3 minus 6, 1 minus 5 minus 7 and minus 6, 1, 5. Okay. Now find the values of U, V, W. You can find now. Here actually don't write X, Y, Z because it's, the variables are U, V, W now. U, V, this is the W.
Adjoint A 3, 1 minus 4. You have written minus 6.
3, 1 minus 4. I was there.
Column
3, 1 minus 4. It's correct now. So this is the
column
3, 1. This is the minus 4. I'm correct.
Yes, sir.
Remaining rest of is correct only. Right?
Yes.
We got everything I wrote. Sorry. It's correct only.
Row 1, 3, 1 minus.
Correct only. This is the minus 4. It's
Yes,
fine.
sir. Will come instead of minus 4.
Okay. This is the 1, 3. This is the minus 6.
Yes, sir.
Now it's fine. Okay. So therefore, the matrix X equal to A inverse into P now. So X equal to U, V, W equal to A inverse equal to minus 1 by 9 into 3 minus 6, 1 minus 5 minus 7. This is the minus 4, 1, 5 into the matrix P equal to 10, 10 and 13. 10, 10, 13. So minus 1 by 9 into multiply all the values 3 into 10 equal to 30 plus 30 minus 6, 13 the 60, 78. 78. This is the 10 minus 50 minus 70, 91. Next, minus 40 plus 10 plus 65. Plus 65. So it is equal to minus 1 by 9 into 30 plus 30, 60. So minus 80. Next, this is the minus 40 means minus 131. Next, here we will get positive only. 75 means this is the minus 35. Minus 35. Sorry, plus 35. Am I correct? So minus 40 plus 10 plus 65. It's fine now. So minus into minus will get plus. First one is the 2 now. And second one, I think it's not cancel that number. So this is the 131 by 9. And next one is the minus 35 by 9. These are the values of U, V, W. U, V, W now. So to compare both of them, we will find the values of X here. Oh, I think somewhere we got mistake. Once you can check it.
Sir, the
Somewhere we done mistake now. The inverse will be correct or not? Adjoint equal to here now 3, 1 minus 4, 3 minus 5 minus 7 and minus 6, 1, 5. So adjoint equal to 3 minus 6, 1 minus 5 minus 7. Oh, this is the
So
mistake.
1 minus 5, 1.
This is the 1. I'm correct. Minus 6. This is the minus 7, 5. This is the mistake. Here it's 5. Okay. Here we have to change. 3, 1 minus 4 and 3 minus 5 minus 7 is correct only. And minus 6, 1, 5. This is the correct 5. Okay. So 3, 3 minus 6, 1 minus 5. This is the 1 minus 4 and minus 7, 5. 1 minus 4 minus 7, 5. So 3, 3 minus 6, 1 minus 5, 1. It's correct. Minus 4 minus 7 and 5 into 10. So 3, 30, 30 minus 78. Find that. 10 minus 50 plus 30. Plus 30. Next, minus 40 minus 70 minus 70 plus 65. So this is the minus 18 correct only. And minus 40 plus what of this value now? Minus 37.
27. So 27. Sir.
27. 3. Correct. This is equal to minus 110. So minus 45. Minus 45. Correct? Now we'll get correct. So this is the 2 now. This is the 3. And this is the 5. I'm correct? 5 now. That implies the values of u equal to 2, the value of p equal to 3, the value of w equal to 5 now. But the value of u equal to, we know very well that it's the 1 by x equal to 2 now. 1 by x equal to 2. That implies x equal to 1 by 2. First one. And this is the 1 by y equal to 3. That implies the value of y equal to 1 by 3. Next, 1 by z equal to 5. That implies the value of z equal to 1 by 5. Yeah. These three are the 3 numbers. X equal to 1 by 2, y equal to 1 by 3, and z equal to 1 by 5. Okay, it's fine now. The same way, just you can write one simple question now. The problem you cannot try yourself. Already previous one application I gave you, and this also once you can try it. Copy now. This we can do as a homework now. 2 by x plus 3 by y plus 10 by z equal to 4 as the equation. Next, 4 by x minus 6 by y plus 5 by z equal to 1, second equation. Next, 6 by x plus 9 by y minus 20 by z equal to 2. Okay. This problem and the previous application, the 2 questions we can do homework. We clear now? Today's class?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Good night.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
First copy this problem and later they can log out. First copy this.